is on from number 1 to number 8. And the first recall is handed number 6. And on stage is handed number 3. And the name is Beth Tamayo. I'm sorry.
Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and in between. It is better to ensure the hardship of education than to suffer and to taste the bitterness of ignorance. Ladies and gentlemen, standing in front of you is a 22-year-old student at Par Eastern University taking a mass communication major in broadcasting. Nasa niyong harapan ay walang iba kundi ang bet ng bayan at ang bet ng inaha, uwanan mo ni Miss Beth Tamale. Na nagpapakasakali po na dito po matatapuan ang lalaking magpapatibok ng ating puso. Ang lalaking mag-aaral sa pagsalikod ng simbahan sa ilalim ng bumulungan. At higit sa lahat, ang lalaking magbibigay sa pagkaligalaw sa tingin. Mga kaibigan, nais ko kung malaman ng lahat ng inyong mga bakla ay mapagmahal, kapatigal. Ngunit pagdating ang napinaghaluan, una, nagtatanong. Pangalawa, nag-iisip. Pangatlo, nagtataka. Pang-apat, kumanda ka pa ba ako, dudurugin kita. Sir, before I leave this stage, I just want all of you to know that I'm still a virgin. Thank you.
Let's move on to the next segment. Standing number 4. Pinamamalig ko sa kay Ann Curtis. Ayan. May we have Ann Curtis on stage right now, please? Standing number 4.
Private make history, and history repeated itself. If I would be lucky for this night, told me, I want to be a part of this history. Good evening, ladies, gentlemen, and in-betweens, from the homosexual community and civil society. My name is Ann Christine Mercado, a 21-year design who hails from the city of Venezuela. One of the students of Our Lady of Fatima University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology. Nagmula po sa pulwagan ng ABS-CBN Channel 2, ako po ang nilagapit na puso ng may-certified sa pamilya na. Nag-iisang babaeng lumihan sa puso ng silaki ng salo. People believe and be mesmerized because the baby is now away. Muli, ako po ang nag-isang singin ng mga kamay. Muli, sabay-sabay natin palakpakan. Ako po, sa Pilipini, ay Pilipinas. Kung nagsasabing, hindi masamang maging bakla sa mga nagjoke sa mga pananitukan, hindi kami gagawa ng sarili namin kasasama at sarili namin kasasira. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Ann Curtis. Ladies, Ann Curtis, sumamay na rin siya. Maraming salamat, Ann Curtis, International Costume. Hindi ko alam kung kasama ba sa comment na yung kakitaan ng puwe o hindi. Sabi ko naman, ipasa ko naman yung kaya kanina. Nakakot sa mga babaeng to.
Kasi hindi yan mga summer. Kaya siya ito sila Hawaii.
At yung sila. Ay, ito pa. Let's move on to the next candidate number 5. From night till dawn. Dawn, so well. From dusk till dawn.
social, economic, political stability. This is a big opportunity for us to be recognized by the society that God created man equally. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, please welcome the historic Kansas Girl, what God is behind Myra 400 from Gospel Dawn, this is your one and only Miss Dawn Silhouette. So ladies and gentlemen, this song Silhouette, we heard so much good. Let's make a big piece of something.
My name is Dragon Marcus Fabian, who hails from the heart of Lagunitas, Quezon City. At 19 years old, studying from Central School University, taking a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, at 36 BC, allow me to swear by the name of the one and only Teledrama Princess, one of the Loretta's sister, ang babae kong meron ng mukha, Rosenda Rosemary at Rosario. Mga kapamilya from EBS-TV at Channel 2, sabay-sabay pong palakpakan dahil ngayong gabi po, ako po si Pinipini Claudine Barreto. May nag-iiwan po ng mga katagang, malayo man po umatalo sa pag-impalan nito ay hindi pa rin po tuloy-tuloy ng nagiging sa akin lagi. Dahil ang inyong palakpakan at ang inyong tunay na kuyawan ay magsasaling tunay na kayo sa aking pag-uwi na lalito po sa bayan ng Novaliches. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Ohio University offers young flight expert. Ito po ay sa mga flight expert. Ito po ay